Today I'll show you how to make authentic Japanese matcha. Smooth, frothy, and full of umami. Let's get started. You only need a few simple things: quality matcha, hot water, and a whisk. First, heat your water to about 80 degrees Celsius, or 175 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, bring water to a boil and let it sit for about 1 minute. While the water heats, warm your bowl and whisk by pouring a little hot water into the bowl, swirling it for a few seconds, then pouring that water away. This softens the whisk and pre-warms the bowl. Measure 1 level teaspoon of ceremonial matcha, roughly 1 to 2 grams. If you have a chashaku, use 1 scoop for a standard yusucha, thin matcha. For a thicker koicha style, use 3 to 4 grams, but today we're making the classic frothy yusucha. Sift the matcha through a fine strainer into the bowl. This removes clumps and gives a much smoother, creamier result. Tap the side of the sifter gently until all powder falls through. Pour 60 to 80 milliliters of hot water, not boiling, into the bowl over the sifted matcha. Use the lower end for a stronger flavor, higher for a lighter cup. Pour gently so you don't lose aroma. Now whisk with a bamboo whisk using a quick, vigorous M or W motion. Short, fast strokes from the wrist, not the arm. Hold the whisk vertically so the tines contact the water surface. Whisk for about 15 to 20 seconds until the matcha is vivid green with a layer of fine froth and small bubbles. If you see big bubbles, slow the whisking down and work the whisk lightly across the surface to refine the foam. Once you have a fine, even froth, stop whisking and set the whisk aside. Lift the bowl with both hands, inhale the aroma, then take a small sip. Notice the umami, the balanced bitterness, and the lingering sweetness. That's authentic matcha. If you want koicha, use 3 to 4 grams of ceremonial matcha with only about 30 milliliters of hot water. Instead of vigorous whisking, knead and press the powder into a smooth paste with slow, deliberate movements. Koicha is thick, rich, and typically used in tea ceremonies. If your matcha tastes astringent, your water was too hot, or you used too much powder, lower the temperature or use a touch less matcha. If it's lumpy, always sift first. Don't use metal spoons to whisk. They can damage the bamboo whisk. Ceremonial grade is best for straight matcha. Culinary grade is better for lattes and baking. Store matcha in an airtight container away from light and heat. Use it within a few weeks of opening for best flavor. How much caffeine? Matcha contains caffeine, but paired with L-theanine, it gives calm focus rather than a sharp jitter. Can I use milk? Yes. For a matcha latte, whisk matcha with a little warm water first, then add warmed milk and froth. If you enjoyed this matcha tutorial, please tap like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments how you take your matcha.